Hey, Andy here from buildahottub.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about removing and installing a topside keypad control for your hot tub. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I supply an awful lot of replacement keypad controls or topside controls for hot tubs, and I realised that one of the questions that I get asked an awful lot is how do you actually fit them? So I'm not going to talk specifically about specific models. I'm going to talk very much in general about how you remove an existing one and how you install a new one. Now, before we get going, always a great opportunity to say please do subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon to be notified when my videos go live. I do long form videos every single week, whole bunch of shorts, and everything on my channel focuses on DIY hot tubs, plunge pools, parts, and pretty much everything in between. Okay, so if you're replacing a topside control on your hot tub, you're going to need to take it out before you can get the new one in. Pretty straightforward. But how do you actually go about doing it? Well, it might surprise you, but it's highly unlikely that the topside is screwed in. The way that we can check that is if we take our, I'm going to call it a generic topside. So I've got a topside control here. You can actually peel back the overlay card. So this is, again, it's a generic overlay card. And if you peel that back, it will peel off, okay, just like this on the top side. And you can peel that top side that you're going to replace because you're going to throw it away anyway if you're replacing it because it's broken. Peel that top side off and have a look to make sure there are no screws underneath. I know on some models there are, 99% of them are not, but some are. So the way to check, peel back that overlay and check for screws. If you don't find any screws, then you'll be glad to know that the top side is just either glued or most likely double-sided tape or siliconed in by the manufacturer. So really it's just a case of prizing that top side. So here we have a top side. You've got to prize that away from your tub. Just kind of be careful that you don't snap anything on the tub itself. If you're removing the top side because it's broken and you're replacing it, doesn't matter if you damage that, but do be careful that you don't crack the shell or anything like that on your hot tub. If it's been in there for a long time, it could be sort of really stuck firm, but it will only be tape, glue or silicone that's actually holding it in. Okay, so then you've removed that topside control, you've got the hole ready to install the new one. So how do we go about doing that? Again, here's my generic topside control. Now, if I show you the back of this, you can see the white section here, that's actually double-sided tape. And if I peel this back, okay, like so, you can see that that comes off. And this is actually sticky to touch. Obviously you can't tell that from the video, but I'm explaining that this is sticky to touch. So when you're putting in your new topside control to your hot tub, you don't actually need silicone or glue. Again, 99% of them come with a double-sided tape that you can use to just push into your shell firmly. Make sure it's dry, clean, clear of any grease, and obviously remove any residue that was there from the previous topside. It will just drop in, it will seal up after a couple of hours, and you'll be good to go. So there we have it. Really simple to remove a topside control and to fit a new one. Double check that there's not any screws. Last thing you want to do is pry something out that is screwed in because you will crack the tub. But you can check, as I said, very easily just by peeling back that overlay to make sure there's no screws. If you can't see any screws underneath one of here, you're good to go. Prise it out, drop that new one in, and that should sort your hot tub keypad control install problem. I hope you found this short video useful. If you need any help with parts or topsides, please do get in touch. My websites at partsfortubs.com and .co.uk. I've got loads and loads of different models there. Shameless plug. As always, I appreciate the view. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. If you've liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.